Okay, now we're going to go on to the front ski. Your front ski comes out of the box like this. It's got the ski mounting bracket and then the modified ski on the bottom. Your ski comes with a piece of UHMW that sticks out on the left side, and this is to replace the bike spacer that comes in the front axle, which out of this particular model, this is it. This spacer is designed to be cut to fit your bike because every bike has different requirements. So simply take the spacer out, line it up with where it needs to be, and then cut it with a hacksaw or a bandsaw, whatever you want to use. Once that's done, you can go ahead and get ready to install the kit. And you can see we've lined the clamps. These are fork clamps. There's 2 of them per kit. We've just lined them up on the bike, and they're a snug fit, so they'll stay on there. And you take the screws that come into the back and simply tighten those down. And we've already put one on here on this side. It's still loose, as you can see. Well, it's a little bit loose. But these actually support the ski angle. You want to keep them a little bit loose until you're ready to tighten them completely, so you can adjust them to fit correctly. Okay, with that, you slide this up. Okay, remember your front axle acts as part of a spacer. So make sure you come in from the right side. Okay, so you can lean this back until it fits easily, and you slide it through. And then tighten it down. Okay, here's the finished result. A couple things to point out. We did loosen the front axle clamps so the axle would come out, and we had to use some gentle persuasion to get it to go all the way through. But it's good to go, and simply put the nut on the end. Now the next step is now to take these fork clamps, and they actually adjust into those holes. They line up, and this is an adjustment for your ski. So if you're in deeper powder, you want this to go more forward, which you can do by pulling it forward, pulling up on it. And if you are in more hard pack, you want it more flat. So there's 2 of these 10mm bolts. These go through. Let's move that up a little bit. Okay. And you tighten that down. Adjust it to where you want it. We're going to have ours a little bit forward. And then you get your Allen set and snug it all down. And do the same thing on this side. And make sure you tighten these back down, and you're ready to go. Okay, so here we have the finished product. You're ready to go hit the snow. A couple things to remember. You'll need to make sure the jam nut on this is tightened down, and on the front ski fork assembly, this isn't necessary, but for cosmetic purposes you may want to put some washers in between here if your fork's different because of the variances of the different forks. There might be some spaces. And then you want to try and center the gap in between these on each side as evenly as possible. Just eyeball it, and you should be good to go. Enjoy your ride.